Be. Ay ko sa bulubot. Ay ko sa bulubot.
Catherine O. Okamura with honors. Best in English, Outstanding SELG Vice President, Royalty Award, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance. Crispine and Divina Gracia with honors. Outstanding SELG Officer, Royalty Award, Best in Alampan, Conduct Awardee, Perfect in Attendance. Rosario III de Ruiz with honors. Outstanding SELG Officer, Royalty Award, Best in TLE, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance. Kyle Taguba with honors. Leadership Award, SELG President, and also has a Leadership Award from Mayor Liza Pulizon. Royalty Award, Best in Math, Conduct Awardee, Perfect in Attendance. Mary Chris V. Untua with honors. Performer of the Year, Outstanding SELG Officer, Best in ESP, Best in Filipino, Perfect in Attendance, Royalty Award and Conduct Awardee. Cyril John B. Campos, Outstanding SELG Officer. Neil J. B. Kotamura, Outstanding SELG Officer. Nico P. Gordo, Outstanding SELG Officer, Royalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance. Mateo G. Oliver, Outstanding SELG Officer, Royalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance. Charme L. Awitan, Outstanding SELG Officer, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance. Jasmine L. Manalingan, Outstanding SELG Officer, Royalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance. Marian B. Payak, Outstanding SELG Officer, Royalty Award, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance. Trisha E. Taguba, Outstanding SELG Officer, Royalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect in Attendance.
Now outstanding senior high school graduates for figure, dressmaking, and coloring strand. Shane P. Berser, with honors. Senate President Gold Medal Academic Award.
Also has a Leadership Award from Mayor Liza Pulizon.
Conduct Award, Leadership Award, Academic Excellence Award, Award for Outstanding Performance in Specific Disciplines, Arts, Award for Outstanding Performance in Specific Disciplines, Communication Arts, awards for outstanding performance in specific disciplines, mathematics, social science, best in research, best in poster research presentation, award for club or organization achievement, Mercado from the Droga President, service awardee.
Heidi G. Mishona with honors. Conduct awardee. Academic Excellence Award. Award for outstanding performance in specific discipline for arts. For science. Best in research. Award for club organization and service awardee. Hilda C. Mundas with honors. Conduct awardee. Academic Excellence Award. Award for outstanding performance in specific discipline for technical vocational education and work immersion. Best in research and service awardee. She also is awarded with Outstanding Dressmaker for the Pasigago 2024 Expo. Minica Diostos with honors. Conduct awardee. Academic Excellence Award. Award for outstanding performance in specific discipline for the arts, communication arts, social science. Award for work immersion. Best in research. Award for club organization, Barkada Contra Droga and Yes No organization. Service awardee. Perfect in attendance. And she is also awarded as the outstanding dressmaker for the Pasigago 2024 Expo.
We have the special awardees of the Senior High School Tribunal Dressmaking and Tailoring. Melvin K. Catania, award for outstanding performance in specific disciplines, work immersion. Andrew L. Ricardo, Conduct Award, Best in Poster Research Presentation. Dan Joseph D. Rosario, award for outstanding performance in specific disciplines, work immersion. Walter J. S. Conduct Award, award for outstanding performance in specific disciplines, technical vocational education. Award for outstanding performance in specific disciplines, work immersion. Service awardee. Award for outstanding dressmaker for the Pasigago 2024 Expo. Christian C. Mondas, Conduct Award, Service awardee.
Diala with honors. Outstanding performance in specific discipline, mathematics, science, communication arts, and social sciences. Special recognition awards for volleyball, district meet, and service awardee for SSLG, journalism, math club, and performing arts. Ariel A. Mercader with honors. Outstanding performance in specific discipline for science, communication arts, social sciences. Conduct awardee, service awardee for Filipino Club, BKD, SSLG, and school paper publication. Special recognition awards, District Schools Press Conference, first place. Municipal Schools Press Conference, second place. Janelle PRSP with honors. Outstanding performance in specific discipline for mathematics. Conduct awardee, service awardee, BKG and math club, and performing arts. Special awardees for grade 10 completers. John Paul Cardania, service awardee for Youth for the Environment and Schools Organization, or YESO, and Math Club. Ken B. Kitamura, conduct awardee. Gerald L. Gubria, Special Recognition Awards, Athletics, Municipal Meet, Service Awardee for Performing Arts. Adrian L. Ibo, Special Recognition Awards for Volleyball District Meet Competition. Conduct awardee and service awardee for performing arts. J.M. S. Wata, Special Recognition Awards for volleyball district meet and conduct awardee. Cedric Jr. Curie Bless, conduct awardee, service awardee for BKD, Science Club, SSG, and performing arts. Renante Jr. Oroy Benes, Special Recognition Awards for Athletics, Unit Meet, and Service Awardee for Performing Arts. Mark Anthony Picula, Special Recognition Awards for Volleyball, Service Awardee for Performing Arts.
Natumba. Stop na ako.
Jenny P. Kapilugan, Conduct Awardee, and Service Awardee for Performing Arts. Justin A. G. Dakula, Service Awardee for Science and Performing Arts. Rodney E. Juliet, Conduct Awardee, Service Awardee for Journalism and Performing Arts. Juliet A. Oliver, Special Recognition Awards, Chess District Meet, and Service Awardee for Performing Arts. Jacqueline G. Oibenes, Conduct Awardee, Service Awardee awardee for journalism and performing arts in SSG. Crystal S. Rosal, service awardee for performing arts and journalism. Jenny Rosemary D. Zamoranos, service awardee for youth and environment and schools organization and journalism and performing arts.
Now, the outstanding graduates and completers for the alternative learning system. We have Castro Florian B. Daitigan Connie P. Leslie Rochelle C. Mazama Jerry. Roger Soram B.
Congratulations, graduates and completers. We may not exactly know where we want to be at this moment.
Mag-award ka mo.
Let us give gratitude for all the good things we have today. Let us welcome Sheen P. Sir, grade 12 with honors in her speech of gratitude.
Ato ka naman. Ano sa inyo? Naglahi na dito sa